Welcome to the Riley fam.
Hi Ryan, I got this from the grocery shop, and I got your favorite friend.
Who gave it to you?
Mama and Papa.
And then what were you showing earlier?
This.
No, the one from your work that you told me.
Okay, I got this, and we also got your favorite toys. Got this, and also this, and this. That is all your favorite toys, like this.
Okay, say bye now.
And this, and this, and this.
Okay, say bye now.
All of this. You do this. I watched you. And you
Say bye.
bye. Your new cook toy.